Good morning, kids. How are you? I'm Suman ma'am, and today we will learn tables. Tables are very important because without this you will not able to solve multiplication and division questions. And it also helps you add a number of times. So I'm giving example. If you have to add 2 5 times, how you will do? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What will be the answer? The answer will be 10. And the other way to do it is you just multiply 2 with 5. What will be the answer? 2 5 are 10. So after knowing this table you can also do repeated addition quickly. And you know the other name of repeated addition is multiplication. And there is no other way to solve multiplication without learning the table. So it is very important and you have to learn it with me today.
We will learn the table from 1. Table of 1 is very easy. It is just like counting 1 to 10. 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3, 1 4 ja 4, 1 5 ja 5, 1 6 ja 6, 1 7 ja 7, 1 8 ja 8, 1 9 ja 9, 1 10 ja 10. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27, 3 10 ja 30. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 ja 32, 4 9 ja 36, 4 10 ja 40. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45, 5 10 ja 50. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54, 6 10 ja 60. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 ja 49, 7 8 ja 56, 7 9 ja 63, 7 10 ja 70. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56, 8 8 ja 64, 8 9 ja 72, 8 10 ja 80. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63, 9 8 ja 72, 9 9 ja 81, 9 10 ja 90. Now the table of 10, which is also very easy, and what you have to do, you first write the table of 1, then you have to write 0 at every step up to 10. 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 10 3 ja 30, 10 4 ja 40, 10 5 ja 50, 10 6 ja 60, 10 7 ja 70, 10 8 ja 80, 10 9 ja 90, 10 10 ja 100.
Now I am going to tell you a shortcut to learn the table 1 to 10. So if you have learned up to 5, that is 1 to 5, you will learn 10 5 ja 50.
You will ask me how? Actually, 5 10 ja is 50 and 10 5 ja is also 50. It is a property of multiplication that is called commutative property, and according to that, if you are multiplying two different numbers and you are changing the order, the answer will be same. So now you see this. Here you see that a large part of the table is in yellow color, a little is in pink, and a square is in white. You know the meaning of it? The meaning is that if you will learn the table from 1 to 5, you will learn the table up to 10 5 ja 50. Okay, means after learning this table you will learn the whole yellow part. And what about the pink part? Pink part is the table of 10, which is very easy. And now talk about this white portion. The white portion is the only 16 numbers that you have to learn after learning up to 5 to complete the table up to 10. So let us do it. 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54, 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 ja 49, 7 8 ja 56, 7 9 ja 63, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56, 8 8 ja 64, 8 9 ja 72, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63, 9 8 ja 72, 9 ja 81. So now you understand, it is very easy to learn. Now you have some assignment, and that I have given you for the next 3 days. And on the first day you have to write table of 1 to 5 2 times. On next day you will be writing 6 to 10 2 times, and on the last day you will write 1 to 10 2 times.
Now you learn the table and do the home assignment. Bye.